I'm on dish duty tonight, blah, but my husband bought me something that I'm really excited to try out today, so I decided to go ahead and unbox it with you and put it all together. I love Scrub Daddies. I use these all the time, but they get like kind of gross and I always have to put my soap on them. So, you know, you do that and then you clean your dishes. So my husband just bought me the Dish Daddy and I'm obsessed. It is the cutest thing. It has this tiny, tiny little face. And the bottom you actually put the soap in here. Also has a cute little smile on the bottom. On the back, it says unscrew base to add liquid soap, push to dispense soap. There's a freestanding self-draining base. Oh, okay, so this smiley face is actually self-draining. So the water that inevitably goes into here is gonna come out here on the bottom, which is great. Rinses clean and resist odors. There's also a built-in scraper. Oh my God, look at that. That's so exciting. Can you see that? Wow, great. And then attach head so mouth aligns with opening. Okay, so you'll see, I don't know if you can see it. So in here, you should see a little blue circle. So that's the opening where the soap is gonna come out. So as you can see, the mouth is aligned with that. It's pretty easy. It's also like, by the way, a silicone material on the outside, and then this is plastic. And then of course we have our standard sponge here. It's starting to fill up. Let's see how much I need. You can see it kind of going up the side. I think that should be enough. Then screw this back on. Look, it's so whimsical. Let's go ahead and get to work. Okay, so you can see when I do that, the soap comes out, and now we can start cleaning. Yay!